Simply relying on schools and colleges in 2026 will not help you but instead drown you. Yes, you heard that right. Why, you may ask? Because of AI. Hi everyone, I'm Anaya. I talk about AI for students and teenagers so that we all stay up to date. And today I'm talking about what skills are we actually supposed to focus on in 2026, the year where AI actually explodes. Because we know that in 2025, things went mainstream all across the world. Like, a lot of people started using AI for different kind of purposes, and you've all seen all those news reports where they say that AI is taking over all our jobs and AI is replacing people, AI is doing this, AI is doing that. We're literally seeing the huge job market being crashed and so many different things, right? And we students were literally growing up in this era. So imagine 5 years later, the time when we will be in jobs 5 or 10 years later. Like, what about us? What type of market will we face? What type of future are we gonna see? We don't know. And schools are not preparing us for this. Colleges are not preparing us for this. What are they preparing? Just making us memorize a bunch of things, which has no value at this point. Because the current system that is there was prepared for a time where information was scarce, where information was only present in libraries and books and people with a lot of knowledge. So, being literate means having a lot of knowledge, and, memorization was basically it, knowing a lot. But now that we have AI, I can access a lot of wisdom, a lot of knowledge, a lot of different things within seconds. So can you tell me what's the point of learning it all, memorizing stuff? I feel like we should be taught how to find problems, how to build solutions for it, how to think clear, how to solve things, whatever. I'm not trying to talk about the bad things about the education system. Let's leave that for a later video. But what I'm telling you is that you cannot simply rely on that, right? Because the value of homeworks, assignments, as you can see, a lot of children, including me and my friends, what we do, we get homeworks, we literally take ChatGPT and ask it, fill it accordingly and let me just copy immediately. I'll do that. Everyone does that. At this point, even, human teachers like tuitions, I believe that in 2026, a lot of children won't be going to tuitions. Why? Because AI is there for personalized learning. Every student will be using ChatGPT, Gemini, and these better versions, Notebook LM, all these tools to literally study so well and actually ace exams. Because I have been doing this all along, and AI is just really great at personalizing education, personalizing learning. So if you notice all these problems, you'll be thinking, Inaya, what exactly am I supposed to focus on? If school is not providing me what I'm supposed to learn, then what exactly is it that I have to learn and invest my time in apart from what I regularly do? Well, I feel like there are 3 different things that we must focus on as students. The first thing is learning how to learn to adapt faster. What I mean by this is that we need to learn the skill of learning to stay relevant in the AI era. Because every other week, every other month or a few days, a new model comes out, a new tool comes out, a new AI invention comes out. What are you gonna do? You can't not learn it, right? You have to stay up to date so that you are knowing what's happening in the world so that you can benefit from it later on. And for that, you gotta be adaptive. You gotta know how to learn it. And how do you do that? Using AI. See, when I talk about learning how to learn, I'm talking about having the speed, how fast and quickly you're able to gain information and use it for yourself. Learning it, adapting it instead of staying in one simple tool or method of using AI. Try out new things. Like, for example, you love using ChatGPT, okay? And the next day, a new tool comes out which is so much better and enhances student productivity. And you're like, I'm comfortable with ChatGPT, I'm fine with it. And you're not moving ahead. What's the point? That's like you're staying underground. You're lagging behind and everyone else will catch up. That's the thing. And then second skill is learning how to think with AI. See, we all ask questions to AI. AI answers them. We have a bunch of information available with us. But I believe that those students are the ones who will thrive in this AI era if they know how to think with AI. by asking deeper questions, by trying to understand their own patterns. Like if you're talking with ChatGPT or Gemini, you're asking AI the questions. For example, if you're studying about a chapter itself, your own chapter, you're trying to understand your own understanding, whether you're understanding the chapter or not, whether you're learning it better. Thinking with AI means you have a direction and then you're learning about something, because again, AI can provide you a lot of information, right? But what's the point of the information if you cannot benefit from it, if you cannot use it? So you gotta have a direction, you gotta know the thing, you have to think with AI clearly. You're able to reason better, you're able to have a direction, you're able to understand your own thoughts, you're able to make out things clearly and plan for yourself, right? That's how you're thinking with AI. And the third skill I would say, which is quite relevant, is learning how to articulate your thoughts well. See, whether it's you talking to humans or you talking to AI, you have to be really good at communication, at articulating your thoughts, at speaking your thoughts basically. Because I believe the future leaders are those who are able to convey their messages the right way. And I've seen so many different people also talk about this, that speaking clearly, articulating your thoughts clearly, problem framing, solutions, writing down things, all of that benefits a lot. And in future, if you're not able to convey what you want to do, then what's the point? Because AI can do the work, but you are the one who's supposed to think on problems and solutions and articulate your thoughts and give out your ideas. If that's not possible, then AI will not help you. Basically means you're able to explain what you've learned, explaining what you've created, explaining the problem you're solving. And even at this level, we are supposed to be good at communicating to make others understand and even the AI understand what we want to build. So the core essence is simple. Within 2-3 years, everyone will have the tools, the knowledge, the answers, the access, everything, but not everyone will adapt fast, think clearly, and explain well. And the people which can do that are the ones which will survive the AI era. Because learning how to learn will help you stay relevant. Learning how to think with AI will help you stay independent and plan yourself. And learning how to articulate will make you valuable and not make you replaceable by AI. So that's the core essence, and I believe these are the things that are actually valuable for us to learn. And I'm also trying to learn all of these things and stay up to date with AI. So if you're interested, follow me, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share this video with your friends, comment, and yeah, I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.